Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about 5 free design tools that every business owner needs to know about. Now if you're a business owner and you're still paying someone for every single design task, then you need to stop and you need to save money, because there are some free tools that are available that can save you time, money and a whole lot of back and forth, right? Especially if you're a small business owner. So today I'm just going to be showing you 5 of those tools and why you need to know about them, right? So let's quickly get right into it. The very first tool is Canva. Okay, I'm pretty sure most of you know about Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that you can use to create a bunch of different graphics, like social media graphics, presentations, flyers and business cards, right? So you don't really need any design experience because they have a bunch of templates, and they also have a free plan, so you don't even need to pay to use those free templates. All right, so Canva is the very first tool. The next tool I'm going to talk about is colors.co. All right, colors.co. So this is a platform where you can basically generate color palette, right? Because your brand needs to have colors that will allow people identify that, okay, this is a particular brand. Okay, you can't just be using random colors on a daily basis, so you need to generate a brand color palette, and this is the perfect website to do it. And it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is go to the website, click on the color palette generator, and once you're clicking on your space bar, the different colors will be showing. If you like a particular color, for example, I like this red color, all I have to do is come here and lock it. Once it's locked, they will keep on changing the rest, but that red will be locked in place. If I see another one I can also lock it. Alright, so that's basically how it works. At the end of the day, you can save it and export it, and that can be your brand color palette. The next free website we are going to be talking about is fonts googlefonts.com. Alright, so this is a website that I use a lot because I'm a graphic designer and I use various fonts in my designs, and this is a website where you can get fonts completely for free without paying a single dime, right? So all you have to do is come in here and search for the fonts that you want, and if it's on here you're going to find it. And if you don't have a particular name of a font in mind, you can come here to the left hand side and then use these categories here to determine the type of fonts they're going to show you. For example, if I click on playful, you can see the type of fonts they're recommending on the right hand side. Okay, if I unclick playful, if I click on fancy, you can see the type of fonts they are recommending for fancy. Right, so that's basically how to use Google Fonts, and then you just go ahead and download it. The next website we'll be talking about is called Unsplash. So Unsplash is basically a website where you can get images for free. Okay, so if you want images that you're going to post on your social media, images you're going to use to create designs, images you want to put on your website, or whatever you want to do with the images, this is the perfect website for you to generate those images. All you have to do is come here and search whatever type of image you're looking for, and they're going to show you a bunch of results, right? The next website is pinterest.com. Now, a lot of you are going to be very familiar with Pinterest. This is the last website, by the way. This is the 5th one. All right, so Pinterest is more than what you know it to be. It's not just a place where you come here to find food inspiration and fashion inspiration. Pinterest is somewhere you can come to get design inspirations for your brand, and also inspirations for your brand visuals and other things that relate to your brand. Okay, so all you have to do is come here and search for whatever you're looking for. I know most people are accustomed to using Pinterest for casual stuff, but you can also use it for your business. You can use it to create a mood board and things like that. All right, so I hope you've learned something new with this video. I hope these 5 tools are going to help you. By the way, the links to all 5 websites are going to be linked down below in the description box, so do well to visit them and let me know if they are helpful to you. If you already use any of these websites, also let me know. If there's a video you want me to create, also let me know. All right, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.